Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Namecheap to manage DNS for web UI step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Namecheap website. Log into your Namecheap account by entering your username and password. Once logged in, locate the domain list section. Click on domain list to view all domains registered under your account. Find the domain for which you want to manage DNS settings. Click on the Manage button next to the selected domain. You will now be directed to the Domain Management page. Scroll down to the Name Servers section. Select the Custom DNS option to manage your DNS settings. Enter the DNS records as per your requirements. If you need to add additional records, click the Add New Record button. Choose the type of DNS record you want to add from the drop-down menu. Fill in the relevant details for that DNS record. Repeat the process for any other records you need to add or modify. After confirming all entries are correct, scroll back to the top of the page. Click the green Save Changes button to save your DNS settings. You will see a notification indicating that your changes have been saved successfully. Wait for DNS propagation, which can take up to 48 hours. You can now manage your DNS settings through Namecheap's interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.